Today we're making mini chocolate chip cookies. The easiest mini cookies are use it as corn flakes with your milk. Let's begin with taking in a large bowl melt 160 grams butter, add 1/2 cup white sugar and 1/2 cup brown sugar, mix it well with a blender so that the three ingredients get thoroughly mixed into each other. Now add 1 large egg and blend again. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon milk. Now we move to dry ingredients, that is, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 to 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and now, mix to combine. It should form like a dough. Lastly, add our favorite ingredient, that is chocolate chip, about 1/2 cup. You may add according to your preference, more or less. Stir in the chocolate chips. Transfer the battered dough to a piping bag, and pipe cookies onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Press with a spoon if you want the cookies to be flat. You may omit this step if you want round-shaped cookies. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 8 minutes or until light golden. Allow them to cool. Enjoy with warm milk. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.